Hi, everyone, and thank you for joining us today. Today, we have the CEO of Xcyte Digital, Randy Selman, on with us to discuss a recent press release that announced the closing of their purchase of Webinar.net assets. Xcyte is a Sophic Capital client and a trusted global events and technology partner. The company went public on the TSXV Venture Exchange last November and trades under the symbol XCYT. First of all, Randy, thank you for coming today and thank you for doing this.
Thank you, Nick, for inviting me.
First of all, I was hoping if you could start off by giving us a quick overview of the webinar transaction that just hit the wire a few weeks ago.
Sure. So we met Webinar.net about 5 or 6 months ago and reviewed their technology, and we realized that it was, without question, one of the best available webcasting webinar platforms available today. It's very feature-rich and it's completely modernized. It's cloud-based, which makes it ahead of some other types of technologies that are being offered today. It's used by many major corporations. And of course, what was very intriguing was the fact that in 2023, they had revenues of about 2.8 million with EBITDA of 600,000. And through synergies, we believe we can improve those numbers. But on top of that, they've got plenty of business on the way in. So we're very excited about the acquisition.
Great. Thank you, Randy. Could you elaborate how this purchase fits into your newly announced experience platform?
Okay, so as you know, the experience platform is a collection of some of the top event technology platforms available today around the world. And we always look to add additional platforms to the experience. And what the experience basically does is, for a single subscription fee, our clients have access to all these different platforms. So whether their business case changes from time to time, they don't have to worry about going out and finding a new vendor to offer that type of a platform. Most likely, any type of business case is usually covered in the experience platform. And so Webinar.net's webinar platform is going to be added to the experience, and so that will be part of the same subscription that you buy. But you can also buy the Webinar.net platform directly.
All right, thanks, Randy. This is now your third acquisition in the past 3 months. Could you tell us a little bit about your M&A strategy and how Webinar fits into that strategy and also your long-term growth plans?
Sure. So we plan to continue to acquire synergistic and accretive acquisitions, which Webinar obviously was fit into both of those categories. And what we're looking to do is find companies that have that offer services in the same environment, but their technology may not be up to speed. And so we can move those clients onto our technology, thereby increasing our EBITDA and making available a better product to those clients. But the most important part of our strategy is that we're acquiring a massive client base that eventually we can either cross-sell or uplift into our more robust platforms.
You also had this interesting partnership that you announced last week with Pixel Canvas. Could you tell us a little bit more about that, please?
As you know, part of the experience platform is that we're constantly seeking new platforms, new technology to add to the experience subscription. And Pixel Canvas, which we were recently introduced to, is one of those types of platforms with a unique set of capabilities. It's a very robust platform, can be used in many, many applications. And we think that it's a perfect add-on to the experience platform. And in fact, we've chosen it for our MCon event that's coming up and for a future financial event.
That's great. Thank you, Randy. Finally, to close out, what are some catalysts that investors can look out for over the next 6 to 12 months as you execute on your growth strategy?
So the investors can look forward to additional acquisitions and hopefully the promotion of our experience platform, which we expect is really going to prove to be a great success. It's very innovative. No one else in the event industry is doing anything like it. And we think it's going to go over very, very well. On the acquisition front, we have identified several acquisitions that we hope to make during the remaining time we have in 24. And then in 25, we seek to uplift our exchange to either a U.S. exchange or a higher level exchange in Canada. So that's primarily what the investors can look forward to.
Randy, this was great. Thank you for your time and coming on and providing us some more context and insight into your growth strategy and the company as it goes forward. Congratulations, and we look forward to learning more. If any investors would like to learn more, please feel free to reach out to either Randy or myself at the emails that you see on your screen, or feel free to go to xcytedigital.com/investors to sign up for updates. Thank you.
Thank you.